Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. You're in the right place. Ever feel stuck trying to access your PayPal money without linking a bank account or card? It can be super frustrating, right? But don't worry, I got you covered. You deserve a hassle-free experience. Today I'm going to show you how to cash out your PayPal funds, hassle-free and fast. No more waiting around or dealing with complicated processes. Imagine the relief. That's right, no bank account, no card needed. Imagine the freedom of accessing your money without those traditional banking hurdles. You've got this. First, click the link in the description below. This link is your gateway to a simpler, faster way to get your money. Private users and companies have been starting to make use of these types of China iTech payment methods as a faster and more convenient way of withdrawing funds. It'll take you to a quick sign-up page. The form is straightforward and easy to fill out, taking just a few minutes of your time. You're almost there. Don't worry, it's totally free. No hidden fees or charges. Just a simple, free sign-up process. Isn't that awesome? Once you sign up, verify your account and click on the exchange button in the menu. Input the amount you would like to withdraw directly to your mobile number or your bank account. Your funds will be available within 24 to 48 hours. You're doing great! You can use this secure and safe way to access your PayPal money instantly. No more waiting for days to get your funds. Feel the instant gratification. Here's the best part, it's super secure and easy. Your information is protected and the process is seamless. You're in safe hands. Now you've got your money ready to be spent or withdrawn at any ATM. How awesome is that? You can use it for shopping, paying bills, or just having cash on hand. Enjoy your freedom. So if you need your cash fast, without any bank or card linking drama, this is your solution. It's perfect for those who want to avoid the traditional banking system. You deserve this convenience. Remember, click that link to make sure you go directly to the correct channel, quick sign up, and enjoy your money almost instantly. It's a game changer for anyone who uses PayPal regularly. You're on the right path. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks for various content on the way. We're here to make your life easier, one video at a time. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!